Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my latest design team project for Country Craft Creations. And this is using Country Bunny, which you can see right here. The paper is absolutely gorgeous, and these blues and stuff right here, I love them. They're just great. So let me show you what I went ahead and created for you. So you get a little storage box to hold your 2 mini albums. It is held together by this little string closure. And so you do that. It lifts up and down, so you have access to your books. You don't have to drop them in. Like if I were to have had this up, you would have had to like pull them out, which you certainly could do when you construct it. You can make that part there a permanent fixture if you want, but I kind of like the fun of it falling down. So you're going to create 2 little books right here. So let me just give you a real quick, let's give you some measurements. As you can see, it is pretty small. So let's see. So we're approximately 5 inches wide. Our height is about 7 inches tall. And yeah, I think it's like, yeah, so it's like a 5 1/4 deep, 5 wide, 7 tall. So that's what we have for our cute little box. And then it's a 2 book set. So Country Bunny kind of reminded me of childhood books growing up. And it was always like really neat to get a book that came in a box. So I thought that it would be neat to go ahead and make these books. So you have 2 of them. And these hold 4 by 6 photos or anything smaller. So the books themselves are 5 by 6 1/4, and it has a 2-inch spine. And these both are identical books. These are designed for you if you are a beginner. So hopefully you find this easy. I struggled with trying to keep it simple because a lot of my projects are a little over the top sometimes. So I challenged myself to make a good simple book. You can make this in a few hours. The pages, there's not a lot to make the pages, so it's not scary. So let me walk you through. So on the front here, just this little bit here that opens up and a little pocket. You can also go ahead and put photos or photo mats here instead of patterned paper. And then I have these 2. This is a 4 by 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and this is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. So the pockets, you can definitely go ahead on the front pocket and put that. So I'm going to hold these out because I'm going to need them. And then you come over to here, this page, there's a shallow pocket right here that's going to hold this part here closed. So that way nothing will fall out. And then also if you do open it up, room for a 4 by 4 photo there. This flips down, and then you have little flaps if you want to put some loose photos in here. So you could easily go ahead and put some loose photos and then close it up so nothing will fall out. So I'm going to hold on to those. And then you flip over here. So you have a little photo flap right here. And then you have room for more photos. So this would hold 3 by 5 photos right there. And then another flap here. So again, more room for photos. And then on the pocket, you actually have this little pull out that you can put in 3 by 5 photos. So it works. So there's 3 pages. So each one has one of these. And then it just folds in. But then it also keeps your little photo flaps or pull out photo flaps all nice and tucked in. And then we just go ahead and repeat again. Just like that. And then again, this one that comes out. Photo mats. Flips over. You can see how gorgeous that is. And then the last page, again, all 3 pages are identical. Really easy to put together. There's not a lot of steps to this. And I think the paper does a lot more of the talking. So it kind of looks like you have more into it than you really do. Right there. So cute. So then that's that book. And let me show you this one. So you will need 2 paper collections to go ahead and make this. If you only have 1 paper collection, you might have to add some more white photo mats in places, such as like on the backs of these or on some of the other, like on these pages and stuff here. If you only had 1 collection, you're going to have to do a lot more photo mats on those than if you use 2 collections. I did use 2 collections, so, but anyway, I did show you that one. Really cute. Yeah. Just gorgeous. You could also take on these sections here and cut thin strips of the pattern paper and put them on to finish off those portions. But I haven't gotten to that yet. I'll probably do that later on. However, I wanted to get this video done for you guys. So, right here. And then this one. So you have lots of room for lots of photos. So you can definitely put a lot in here. This is really pretty. Looks like really pretty on the screen. You can see the flower peeking through, and then this one here. Yeah. And that. And then the last page, the inside cover. Again, nice little pocket there. But anyway, I hope that you find this easy to make. I do have a full tutorial on this. Again, like I said, I struggled. I wanted to make something simple. I think I did it. Let me know if you have any questions. If something's challenging or not, let me know. But I do think that it did come out pretty simple. Even the box, the way I made the box, I actually designed this on camera. So you might see some spots on it that kind of looks a little different. I am going to have to do some editing on that part of the tutorial because I did run it into some size issues and stuff and some decorating. So for the most part though, I designed it while I was on camera, so it was really pretty simple to do. So, but anyway, I hope you like this. If you're interested in this paper collection, it is from Country Craft Creations and it is called Country Bunny, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is paper collection from Tamara made. Anyways, I hope that you enjoy this little walkthrough of these 2 super cute little mini albums. If you have any questions, leave them down below. The tutorial will be coming out on this right after I'm going to post the walkthrough on this and then edit the videos and get that right up as well. But anyway, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.